everyone. Today is day 2 here in Lodi, Italy.
Yay!
It's still holiday here in Italy also, like in Germany. Easter Monday yung tawag nila. So today we're going to Milan. Dari lang. Magte-train lang kami kasi hindi kami kasya sa kotse. Hi! Say hi to my vlog.
Let's go.
Andiamo.
Andiamo.
Sana ang train station. Ba't natanggal yung sapatos? No. Come here, Daddy. Milano Central. Ah, dito? Oo.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Dito na.
Go, go, go.
Diyan o. Sabi ko. Nahilo ko. Ay, si ano pala yan?
Giorno.
Ay, giorno. Dito na. Layo. Yeah. Yes. What's that, Kuya? Sky blue. Naggutom ang mga persons papuntang Milano.
Ay, give me that.
So we're here in Milano Centrale. Ganda oh. Mamaya.
Yeah.
Hi, Darin. Hi, Darin. Welcome back to Milano. Allison. Hold my hand, Aki. Daming tao.
Baka makalimot naman yun.
Wow. Wow. Welcome back to Dumo. Wow. O, picture na agad.
Hindi pa yun.
Ah, dito na, Daddy. Dumo, Milan, Milano. Go feed the birds. We were here last 2022 summer. Today is April 2025, springtime. Ang daming tao. Oh. Gutom na. Ano? Welcome back to Milano, Dumo.
Ako mga wag na ate, that's enough na. That's enough na.
Meron kang wipes? Wipes na siya. Enough ito. Mamaya, pakita ko sa yung ano, wala na.
Oo nga. Doon yun ano. Uy, si Daryl ah. Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Wow, ang daming tao. Welcome back to La City. Kuya, remember this?
Anong kakainin natin?
Let's check. Wala dito. Lalo na dito. Go! Go, let's check. Wow, wala yung space dito pa eh. No more space, kuya. Go. Tabi na, kuya. Wala. Wala na, kuya, dyan. Good appetit. Wow. After 1 hour of waiting. Yummy. Hi, kuya.
Gutom is real.
Gutom is Chicken Joy.
Alam mo yung nakalito sa atin at nakain. Nauna kong dumating yun pero mabilis yun.
Get.
Tayo po naman si Daryl. Daddy si Daryl, oh. Daddy si Daryl. Daryl, come here.
Hindi mo ilagay. Para hindi mo bitbit.
Daryl. Go to Daddy. Come.
So try it one more time. So the circle, I point to you and I open my hands like this. Catch. Now point it to me. Open. Beautiful. There you go, man. That's the idea. Yeah, point to me. And then your man have a go as well. You hold it, both hands. The little circle, you're gonna tilt it towards me. You don't need to touch it. Just shake it. Shake. Yeah, point to me. Open your hands. Let go. There you go. Good job. And then with a little bit of practice, you point to yourself. They come back like a little boomerang. You wanna try that? So point to yourself, only a little bit. And now push. Yeah, catch. There you go. Give me one more time. Ooh! Hello.
Not like that.
They will go up. And they will stop more or less in this height automatically. And then I don't really do anything here. I just use my right stick for the direction. Yeah, come over here, man. You're gonna use the right stick. Okay? I'll let you forward. Yeah. Now come back. Here. Alright? What we like, if he has an accident, you will get somewhere by mistake, something. Even if you accidentally someone definitely okay? You're just gonna be very nice. Right? So left to right. Left to right. Okay? So it says you only do it one time. Do it one more time.
Try, Kuya.
Very nicely. Do you want to give it a go as well?
Kuya. Try it, huh? We're going back home.
That's Anthea. Why are we going so slow? Did Daddy ask you?
Lollipop.
No, Mama.
Bye.
Mommy.
Anong
Mommy, no.
PDO 65. I'm Liberia 64.
familiar?
Look, Mommy.
Online na ako.
Anong app?
Yung World Beneath.
Ah, we meet.
Kami ano?
Or Ria.